Hey guys, Sandy here. Today I'm sharing some of my favorite and thoughtful budget friendly gift ideas that come together quickly but still feel really personal. I've made versions of these for my own family and friends over the years, and they're always a hit. We're making a game night basket, a hair care basket, some ornament gifts, and a few creative ways to give gift cards, plus a couple of fun ideas. My hope is that you find something you can customize for your own family and friends or use as inspiration to create your own versions. Now grab your coffee, get comfy, and let's dive in. So, this game night basket is really special to me. We play games all the time me, my partner, my son, and my daughter in law. It's kind of our thing. What inspired this idea, though, was a brand new game I found at Goodwill. And I see new games there all the time, but this one spawned my idea, so I had to buy it. You see, my son got married last year, and I'm the one who has all the games. So I thought, why not make him a game night basket so he and his wife can start their own little collection? And of course, the thing we had to do was start with a basket. So when I was at Goodwill, I spotted these two baskets as my best options. I really liked the look of the round one, but the square one had more real estate and was more practical and would be great for storage after the holidays for so many things. Then I headed to Target for a cozy blanket and a few new games, and I had to include Phase 10 and Skippo because we've been playing those together since he was about 7. And I didn't forget his wife. She's getting a cozy blanket too. It just didn't fit in the basket, so I'll give that separately. And then I needed to add his absolute favorite holiday thing that he waits for every year, which is summer sausage. Because what's a game night without snacks, right? But I couldn't stop there. I had to add his favorite candy and some popcorn and favorite drinks. A few extra items I added were a score pad that I made with my Cricut, a pen, and a cute hourglass timer that came from Dollar Tree. When I put a gift basket together, I always start with the taller items and work my way down. When I'm satisfied with how things look, I use Scotch tape to secure any items that the tape won't damage. Invisible tape doesn't really work. I've always wondered why they call it invisible because you can usually see it. What I love about this idea is that you can tailor it to so many different people and occasions. It would be great for newlyweds, a family with kids, neighbors, coworkers, a sibling, or a best friend. And really, you can customize the games and snacks to fit anyone. I hope this idea inspired you to create your own cozy game night basket, and I hope my son loves it as much as I love putting it together. This next gift is for my daughter-in-law. She's been wanting a way to organize her jewelry, so when I spotted this beautiful organizer for $10 at Five Below, I had to snag it, and I knew instantly how I was going to improve it. I had the perfect shirt that I had thrifted a while ago, but it didn't fit me right. I didn't mind because it was one of those fill a bag for $5 sales, so it really cost pennies, and she loves pink. But before I could add the fabric, I needed to tone down the gold, so antique gold rub and buff to the rescue. This piece didn't need a base coat even though it's plastic because the finish wasn't slick, so it took the rub and buff really well. While that was drying, I ironed the shirt. Then it was time to cut out the pattern and start hot gluing. I first glued a small piece at the top, then I pulled it taut and did the same thing at the bottom, kind of like upholstering. And because my fabric has a pattern, I kept making sure everything was straight, gluing one side and then the opposite. And just like that, we were done. I think she's going to love this, and I'm going to add some special pieces of my jewelry to the collection to make it even more special. But I still wanted to do one more thing to coordinate with the jewelry organizer. I've been seeing these decorative frames everywhere lately, the ones that just have a little pretty fabric or pattern background inside instead of a photo. Five Below had some on display when I was there, and it reminded me that I could easily make my own. And since I still had fabric left over from the organizer, it was perfect to use. In my stash, I had this pineapple frame I thrifted a while ago for my daughter-in-law because she loves pineapple decor pieces. I could never find the right picture for it, so this ended up being exactly what it needed. I cut the fabric to fit the frame, popped it in, and just like that, we were done. These two gifts came together so quickly, and they were so budget-friendly. I honestly can't wait to see her face when she opens them. This next gift idea comes from all those hot sauce gift sets you see out every year. And honestly, I think a lot of those end up going to waste because they're not tailored to the person receiving them. So instead, I thought I would make my own version that is personalized. And Dollar Tree has so many fun miniature hot sauces and great seasonings. I picked out all the ones I know the recipient will actually use, and that's what I love about this gift. It's completely customizable. Putting it together was so easy. I grabbed a Dollar Tree kitchen storage container and some shreds from the party section, tucked everything inside, and just like that, done. And the whole thing was about $10. A thoughtful, practical, budget-friendly gift that feels way more personal than the pre-made sets. In this next idea, I wanted to share a few super simple ways you can make a gift card feel a little more special and festive. The first one is perfect for a teacher, a coworker, or really anyone who loves coffee. Just grab a Dollar Tree mug with one of their cute coffee sayings, add some shredded paper, and tuck in a Starbucks or their favorite coffee house gift card. It instantly feels more thoughtful and intentional. The next idea starts with one of the metal Christmas stakes from the Dollar Tree. I removed the stake, and because it already has a little hanger on the back, you can turn it into an ornament. You can paint and decorate it if you want, or leave it as is. I decided to leave mine natural. Then I use a magnet from my stash to attach a metal clip that holds the gift card. But you have options here too. A mini clothespin works great. You can glue it on. And I also printed out a photo of the person's pet to place behind the gift card. So once they remove it, they're left with a personalized ornament. Another option is to take one of the Dollar Tree mini frames that already come with a clip. I just removed the bow, hot glue on some Christmas greenery, and added the gift card. Super fast, super easy, and festive. For the next one, also a Dollar Tree frame with a clip. The clip was way off center and too low, and I thought I could fix it with paint, but it needed a quick sand. Since I had already started painting, I just took it outside and gave it a quick coat of spray paint. Once it dried, I screwed the metal clip back on, added some Christmas embellishments, and finished it off with a gift card. And the last gift card presentation idea is actually for tickets. With everything being digital these days, you can't really hand someone tickets anymore. So what I like to do is take the event information, put it into a Word document with a special note, print it out, and tuck it into something cute. For Christmas, I really love these little tin mailboxes from the Dollar Tree, but you could use a box or a cookie tin. It just makes opening the present feel more special. But stay tuned, we're not done yet. I still have more gift ideas coming up. This next gift is also for my daughter-in-law. She loves anything beauty related, and last year I made her a huge spa basket and she's still using it and still talks about it. So this year I thought, let's switch it up and make a hair care basket. Dollar Tree actually has amazing selection of beauty and hair products, so this one stayed very budget friendly. I found this cute acrylic basket, something a little different from the typical woven ones, and started filling it with things I know she'll use. She's gonna love this headband with the little bows, and I picked up the detangling comb for myself too. I highly recommend it. It's a 10 out of 10. And of course I had to add a candle. What's a girl's gift without a little aromatherapy? Once everything is in place, I wrapped it in Dollar Tree cellophane, tied it with a bow, and added one of their snowflake ornaments to make it look a little more festive. Such a simple, fun, thoughtful gift, perfect for a teen, a mom, a sister, an aunt, or a daughter-in-law. If your recipient is more of a nail girly, don't skip Dollar Tree's nail aisle. They have so many good products, nail polishes, nail gems, and dupes. Their nail oil is one of my favorites. And instead of a basket, I like using one of the Dollar Tree cosmetic bags. Just fill it up with all the nail essentials, zip it shut, and you have a beautiful, customized gift. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next Saturday.